guys, it's me, Winter. Today I'm asking you guys if you could help me get the Game Pass in Royal High, the Hair Game Pass. And if you did, I will give you my free handbag that's high diamond. I don't know if it's high diamond or not, but I'm only looking for 50 Robux. That's it. Well, guys, just comment your username. My username is Winter Moon Help. Let me show you guys. Where is it? Okay, this is my username. Look at where's my pencil. This is where my username is, and I'm looking like this is my GM Game Pass of all of Roblox. And I'm giving away for the Robux. But I won't go first. I got scammed a million times for that. But no, I won't go first. I will offer this bag and the pacifier, these two, because I really like the Game Pass. Because I really want to color my hair. And it will be everything. And I really, really will be happy. And I will also do a shout out for you guys, the one who did it. And you will also be with me in YouTube in all of my videos, and that will make me so happy. And I'm not only judging, I'm just asking if you can just comment your username if you want to do it, but tell me what's the group name so I can join and give me the 50 Robux. Then you join me to Trading Hub and give you the pacifier and the bag I just showed you. And thank you if you did. See you later, Queenies!